At ang judge na magbabasa ng question mo ay walang iba, kundi si Sir Michael.
Hello, good afternoon, candidate number 1. How are you today? Okay, wow, kinakabahan. Huwag kinakabahan. Napakadali din ng tanong na sasabihin natin. Okay, here's a question ha, makinig. How could you encourage kindness in your community? Okay. Lakasan natin ng konti, yeah, para marinig.
If I could encourage kindness in my community, but I'll
It's okay. Kaya yan, Bek! Relax. Go lang, go!
Bigyan natin siya ng malakas na palakpakan!
Sige, number 1, candidate, ulitin natin. Here's your question. How could you encourage kindness in your community?
if I could encourage kindness in my community, I'll be patient, helping younger kids, and showing others that even small acts can make a big difference. And I think
Nice, thank you, candidate number 1.
Thank you, candidate number